Nestled among the rolling hills, Green Meadow Farm was a haven for both humans and animals.
Hey everyone, I'll be showing you how to create engaging kids animation stories for YouTube. Today, we are diving deep into the exciting world of making fun cartoons for kids on your YouTube channel. We will guide you through the whole process step by step. Whether you are new to this or already have experience, we've got you covered. We will help you come up with cool story ideas that kids will love. Find the right voices for your characters, show you how to draw and animate, and even add awesome music to make your cartoons extra special. By the end, you will have all the know-how you need to make awesome videos that entertain and educate kids. Before we get into the specifics, let me provide a quick overview of our channel. If you are interested in staying informed about the newest AI tools and becoming proficient in using them effectively, you are in the right spot. Our channel offers easy-to-follow tutorials and is dedicated to keeping you well informed. Don't forget to click that subscribe button. Your support helps us in creating even more valuable content. Now, let us get started. Creating a fantastic kids animation is an exciting journey, and the first step is to craft an engaging script that forms the foundation of your story. In this creative process, you have two fantastic options at your disposal. The first option is to harness the power of ChatGPT, an AI assistant that can be a valuable ally in helping you develop a compelling narrative. When using ChatGPT, simply provide it with a prompt like, "Write me a short kids animation about," and describe your story concept. Introduce your characters and specify the number of characters you'd like to include. Don't forget to add details about the scene background to set the stage for your animated adventure. On the other hand, if you are feeling particularly inspired and creative, you can choose to write your script entirely from scratch. Tools like Notepad or Google Docs can be your trusted companions in this endeavor, allowing you to jot down your imaginative ideas and bring your storytelling vision to life. Whether you opt for the AI-powered assistant of ChatGPT or prefer the hands-on approach of manual scripting, the key is to ensure that your script is well structured, ensuring that your young audience is captivated from the very beginning. After you have completed your script, the next exciting step is to breathe life into your characters by giving them their unique voices. This process involves generating voiceovers, and to do this, we will introduce you to a remarkable tool called 11 Labs. However, before you dive into the world of voiceovers, it is essential to take a moment to identify and distinguish all the different characters that will be featured in your animation. Once you have made a comprehensive list of these characters and their specific roles in your story, you can then proceed to use the wonderful capabilities of 11 Labs to create the perfect voices for each of them. By taking this organized approach, you'll be able to download the voiceovers and neatly organize them into separate folders. This simple but vital step will save you both time and effort as you progress through the animation process, streamlining your workflow and ensuring a more efficient and seamless production experience. So, get ready to infuse your characters with their own unique voices and set the stage for an engaging and delightful animated journey. As we continue our journey in the world of creating captivating kids animations, the next step involves the magical process of generating animations themselves. To achieve this, we are going to utilize the versatile and user-friendly platform, Canva. Now that you have your script, characters, and voiceovers ready, it is time to visually bring your story to life. The animation process begins by selecting an appropriate background that harmonizes with the setting of your story. Imagine your story take place on a charming farm. In Canva, you can search for a variety of farm-related graphics and images and seamlessly adjust their sizing to perfectly fit the scene you have in mind. Now that you have established your selected background, the true creative excitement unfolds as you delve into the art of animating your characters. This is the phase where your artistic ingenuity truly comes to the fore. Within the animation process, you have the liberty to breathe life into your characters, allowing them to interact with their surroundings, to each other, and seamlessly follow the narrative you have meticulously woven into your script. It is essential to keep in mind that you'll be animating your characters scene by scene, in alignment with the narrative progression you have outlined in your script. With each scene you animate, your animation begins to take shape gradually. This gradual process contributes to making your story not only more engaging and captivating, but also visually dynamic, creating a compelling viewing experience for your audience. However, To truly enhance the viewer's experience and immerse them into your animated world, it is essential to add background music. Music can set the mood, create an emotional atmosphere, and elevate your animation to a whole new level. To find the perfect background music, you can explore websites like Pixabay, which offer a wide selection of royalty-free tracks suitable for various themes and moods. After you have successfully pinpointed the perfect musical accompaniment to enhance your animation, the next step is to download it and seamlessly incorporate it in your project within Canva. It is crucial to pay attention to the audio's volume settings, ensuring that it harmoniously complements the narration rather than overpowering it. This careful adjustment is key to achieving a well-balanced auditory and visual experience that will resonate with your audience. As your animation is enriched by the carefully selected background music, it is poised to engage and captivate your young viewers. However, the creative possibilities don't end there. Canva offers you the flexibility to incorporate supplementary elements including text, sound effects, and icons to elevate your animation to the next level of interactivity and engagement. This versatile toolkit empowers you to further enrich your creation, ensuring that it continues to hold the attention and fascination of your audience. It is a pleasure to have you here with me today. I hope that the detailed guide I provided has proven to be a valuable resource in your quest to craft enthralling kids animation narratives for your YouTube platform. Always bear in mind that a meticulously composed script along with compelling voiceovers, lively animations, and thoughtfully selected background music serves as the fundamental building blocks for achieving triumph in this creative pursuit. These elements synergize to bring forth a truly captivating viewing experience for your young audience.
Nestled among the rolling hills, Green Meadow Farm was a haven for both humans and animals. The farm's heart and soul were its inhabitants, led by old farmer John and his trusted dog, Rusty. One sunny morning, Daisy the cow, Benny the sheep, and Pippin the rooster gathered near the barn, sharing their dreams.
I wish for endless pastures where I can graze.
I long for a lifetime of soft meadows.
I dream of waking to glorious sunrises every day.
The animals' wishes were heard by old farmer John, who knew their happiness was his responsibility. He expanded the pasture, planted fields of sweetgrass, and made sure Pippin had a cozy roost with a view of the sunrise. The farm thrived, and the contented animals knew that their voices were always heard in the conversations of Green Meadow Farm.
Now, I am genuinely excited to hear about your experiences. How did the animation process unfold for you? Was it a seamless and enjoyable journey, or did you encounter some unexpected challenges along the way? And most importantly, are you satisfied with the final outcome of your animation? Your insights and unique journey are valuable, so please don't hesitate to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Your contribution could inspire others on their own creative journeys. Thank you for watching, and again, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. I hope this video helps you out, and I would love to see you in the next video.